Want your desktop to look like this? Follow this video and your whole desktop can change. This is the new Oxygen theme for KDE on Plasma 6.7. Stay tuned. So you're a KDE Plasma user. You've just got the new 6.7 roll up and you want to install the Oxygen theme. So this is what you need to do. Sudo Zypper refresh. Put in your password. Up to date. So you have sudo Zypper in Oxygen 6. Yes. It's only a 30 meg file. And then of course they'll have to hit paste. Systemctl -- user restart Plasma service. And now you should have that available since you saw that flash. Then open your system settings. Go to appearance and just type that in. Appearance and styles. Global theme. Now we have the air, breeze, breeze dark, oxygen dark, oxygen light. Which one do I want? I want to do dark. Sure. Maybe I don't want to do that. Let's look at wallpaper. Don't have a lot of wallpapers. Like the theme though. I like that little backdrop, but that's it. That's how you get it going. Your Oxygen theme. And of course you want to set the wallpaper. So in system settings, click on wallpaper, click on waterfall, hit apply. Boom. You have that great looking wallpaper. You might want to add a new wallpaper. Horus. There we go. I'm going to do that one. So let's go ahead and close that. Apply this new Horus wallpaper. It's by the same guy that did the theming. Of course, we want to set it for all screens. Why not? Oh, it does look better. It does look good. I like that Horus wallpaper. I think I'm gonna keep that and run with that for a while. KDE, that's so cool. That background's great. So if you like the Oxygen theme in KDE Plasma, let me know in the comments below and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.